You guys have been asking me about how to remove late payments from your credit report and how to remove an account because of the late payments. Now that's exactly what we're going to go over, and you're going to want to make sure you stay till the end of this, because not only am I going to give you the key to removing these, but I'm also going to tell you exactly how to dispute them. This is the same exact process that I used on my husband's credit report, and I got him approved for over $1.5 million in less than 11 months. So does this work? Yes, it does, but you need to do it correctly. If you take a look at your credit report, you're probably going to see something very, very similar, where only a couple of the months match up, all right? Now, and I'm also going to tell you exactly how to dispute this if all of the payment history matches up, okay? So for January 2021, we have 30 days late, okay. And yes, this actually happens. I deal with this all the time, okay? For February, we have 30, okay, 30. For March and for April, it is exactly the same. 60 days late and then okay. And then May, okay, 90. Now, obviously, everything outside of March and April is going to be considered inaccurate, okay? This is false reporting. If this information is coming from the same creditor, the same data furnisher, how is it different? We're just gonna plug the information in, and we are using the AJERO formula: action, justifier, element, reason, outcome. So this isn't about disputing online. This isn't about using the illegal identity theft method. This is about legally and permanently removing these so that you can go out, increase that credit score, and get the mortgage that you want, get the credit card that you want, do all these things that this is holding you back from. Remove this account for inaccuracy and false reporting, because the payment history reflects, and then we're going to plug the information in for the month of, start with January. We are starting with January because it is the oldest late payment that we can see is reported as, and then now you're going to take the information from the account and plug it in. We're going to say 30 days late on Experian, 30 days late on Equifax, and on time for TransUnion. This is not the same payment history, and therefore I cannot report like this. If that doesn't work, we're going to hit them for the failure to enter the notice of dispute, because 9 times out of 10, they're not going to do that. You may be thinking, how are they going to verify this is accurate? And you may be thinking, how can they verify this is accurate when it's obviously not, right? We're looking at different information, and these are facts. The one thing that you need to keep in mind is that they do not want to remove this from your credit report. They want to keep you subprime. They want to keep your credit score lower because they make more money off of your lower score, because the data furnisher, the creditor, can now charge you higher interest because of your lower score, so they're going to pay more for that information. That is how that works. They are not in the credit reporting business. They are in the data business. You need to know exactly how to dispute something when it comes back verified as accurate. This is how you write your dispute reason. All you're doing is plugging the information into this dispute reason. Does that make sense? If it does, smash that like. For removing the entire account, you're going to say remove or delete, okay? Now, what if we have multiple late payments and they're just a bunch of them? Unfortunately, and I know you don't want to hear this, but unfortunately there's no way to correct that. Anything other than a data furnisher giving you, the consumer, a copy of their bank statement, not your bank statement, but their bank statement, proving when you did or did not pay late, is hearsay. Unless I show you when your payment came in late to my bank, anything outside of that is not proof. It is not legally verifiable. If you need help, use the link at the top of the screen, my 740. This was how to remove late payments from your credit report and how to deal with late payments in general. I hope you have a wonderful day.